The Indiana Criminal Justice Institute's Traffic Safety Divisions proudly presents The Sounds of the Game, where all Boilermaker fans can relive the exciting sounds of the game.
Boilermaker's down. Hummel comes down the lane to the corner. Smith a three. Got it! Smith a three from the left side. Jackson through traffic, blocked from behind. Hummel gets it back, puts it up and in, and he was fouled and the bucket counts. Smith to Jackson. Jackson right wing, now to Hummel. Shoots a three ball. Good! Hummel from way outside. Here comes Purdue down in the half court. Lou with the ball. Whips it off. Three ball on the way. Bullseye! Greg Smith! Lou comes down, deals it off to Ryan. Shoots a three. Good! Finally, Ryan Smith buries a triple. Still on a dribble to Jackson. Jackson out to Anthony. Shoots another three. Good again!
The Indiana Criminal Justice Institute's Traffic Safety Division is a proud partner of the Purdue Boilermakers and want to put the brakes on distracted driving.